Today we are going to practice writing the letter U. Repeat after me. U, up, Awesome. The letter U is going to start at the plain line. And we're going to go down to the grass line, but we're going to make a curve up again to the plain line. And then tracing that same line down to the grass line. So let's do that again. Plain line, curve down to grass line, up to plain line, straight back down to grass line. Okay, so we have our gray U's to trace first. Again, plain line, curve up, back up to the plain line, straight down to the grass line. So plain line, curve to grass line, up to plain line, down to the grass line. We'll do that for each one. Okay, then we have our starting dots, so we'll do that again. Curve down and up, then straight down. Plain line, curve to grass line, up to plain line, straight down to grass line. We're going to do that for each dot using our neatest handwriting. Now I've said this before, but if you write your letters differently than what we're practicing, I want you to try the way that I am showing you. Okay, now we have our blank line. So again, we started at the plain line, curve down, up, and straight down. Curve, plain line to grass line to plain line to grass line. We're going to try for 7 of these. Plain line to grass line to plain line to grass line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. And then I'm going to circle the one that I think I did the best on. I like this one the best. Repeat after me again. U, up, Great. Now on the next page, we are going to write a U to complete the word, and then we will read it. So our first one, we have an S, and it looks like we need to put the U and then N. So read the word sun. Do that for each of the pictures. Then when you're done with that, we have more tracing to do. Starting at the plain line, down to grass line, to plain line, to grass line. So trace each one using your neatest handwriting. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. We have more practice. Okay, then we'll go to our dots. Remember that dot is our starting point. Down and up. Plain line to grass line to plain line to grass line. Do that for each dot. And then we have a sentence to trace and then rewrite ourselves. Okay, so trace the sentence first. T-H-E, the, space, S-U-N, sun, space, I-S, space, U-P, period. The sun is up. And then we'll write it ourselves underneath using your neatest handwriting. Don't forget about those spaces. Really focusing on writing the letter U the way that we just practiced. Space. Again, this is a sentence, so we need a period at the end. When you're done with that sentence, you are all done with the letter U.